Hello students, I am Naresh Rawal, the table tennis coach of Modern Indian School, and today I am going to tell you something more about service, how to do service, what are the things important while doing service, because it is a very important issue. If you do anything small mistake, the umpire is going to say fault, that service will be illegal and the opponent is going to get a point. So it is a very basic skill, basic rule. Before playing we should know how to do a service, because definitely when we are on table, if we need to practice from the very beginning also, we need to practice, but we should know how to do service. Okay, so this is the very basic thing I am going to tell you. I have already told you how to hold the racket. So in racket, if you see up to this portion, the wrist portion, can you see up to this portion, this mark from here to here? In table tennis, it is valid. It is supposed to be valid. That means what? That means if the ball is going to touch this area, suppose my thumb, and it goes to the opponent court, it is considered as right. It is not illegal. First of all, we should know this concept. If the ball, if while doing service, suppose I am not hitting this portion, accidentally I hit this portion, I hit it from here, from my wrist, it is valid. It is supposed to be valid. Till this portion, till this wrist, it is known as our racket hand. This is our racket hand, and below this wrist, it is illegal. If it touch below this, it is illegal while doing service also and while playing also. Suppose if you are playing, the opponent hits a shot, it bounces on your court and it is coming like this, and you try to hit like this. You are hitting in a rally. Rally means when we are in play with each other. After service, what happened? We start playing with each other. That is known as a rally. Okay, so at the time of service also it is valid, and suppose when your opponent returns the ball, it bounces on your table, okay, and it is coming here, and instead of hitting like this, if you hit from here, that is also right, up to this portion, it is right, up to wrist. So this is one of the most important basic rule of table tennis while doing service also and while playing. Now this hand is known as our free hand. Okay, so what is the importance of free hand and what is the disadvantage of this free hand? Okay, so before going this, I also want to tell you one thing. Like while playing in a rally, if suppose the ball comes like here, it is coming, and I touch the table with my hand, free hand, I mean with my racket hand, like this, and it comes here, and I suppose it comes, and it is right. It is not illegal. This ball is supposed to be a right ball. Okay, touching the table is right, but what is wrong if I move the table while playing? I push the table somewhere, like I disturb the balance of the table, then that is wrong. While service also and while playing also, if I disturb the table, moving table, that is known as wrong. Okay, now this free hand, what is the importance of free hand? While doing service, the ball should not be held like this, it should be clear to the opponent. Can you see? If you do like this service, this is an illegal service. The free hand is used basically for this service issue. So the ball should be visible to the opponent and it should rise at least 16 centimeter from your palm. While doing service, you cannot do like this. Okay, while doing service, it is necessary to throw the ball up, and it should be at least 16 centimeter. See, 16, and it should be visible throughout to the opponent. So the service should be like this. So this is the way to do service, and it should always, we are not going to do it above the table. This above the table, you have to do it beyond the table line. This is the last line of the table. So while doing service, the ball should be visible and it should be beyond the line. It should be thrown 16 centimeter up at least, and then only you are supposed to hit the ball. So this is the use of free hand. And one more important thing, while playing, you are not supposed to touch the table with your free hand. In any case, whether you are balancing your body, whether if you are to anything, in any way, you cannot touch the table with your free hand. If you touch the table free hand while playing also in a rally, or if you hit the ball is in that court, and after that also if you are touching it, it is illegal. In any case, it is illegal. So what is a rally? Rally means when I serve, we start playing until and unless the ball is out. If the ball goes out, that means rally finished. If the ball goes out, but if it is in the rally, if you are playing, if I am playing with the opponent, you are not supposed to touch the table. If you touch the table, then it is a foul. The opponent is going to get the ball. So these are some of the important instructions for doing service. Very basic thing. I hope you all like it and enjoy it, and definitely you are going to practice it at home, and also when we come to school, normal school days, we are going to practice. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.